Type mazarenanews.com in Google search box. Make sure that the spelling is correct and click Enter. Click the second Mazana News website link. It will take you directly to homepage. Scroll down the page to select the course that you want to buy. Or you can buy the course from course page. From the Google search box, write www.mazarenanews.com/mathscourses in Mazana School and click Enter. And click Enter. The first link that show up is the required link. Click on it to take you to the course page. Here, we will see the description of the type of mathematics training and services we have with contact details. And other information like the main areas of mathematics our courses covered or have. Continue to scroll down the page. You will see the arrangement of the modules that our mathematics courses have. Go through them to know which one is suitable for you. Also, see other sections of the course page. See the main constituents of our mathematics courses, which includes algebra, arithmetics, geometries, functions and equations, trigonometries, angle bearings. Mention but a few. Scroll down to see more of our courses. Select the area of maths you are interested in and click on it. Let's say that you are interested in algebra. Click on the Algebra button shown. It takes you to algebraic page as shown on the screen. You will see the major areas that are covered in algebra, with the subtopics. The total numbers of hours the course is shown. We charge $18 per hour. You have to multiply the number of hours the course has with $18 to give the actual amount to pay for the course. If you want to buy only the algebraic course, click the Buy button. Otherwise, scroll down the page to see other related courses, so that you can decide how many maths courses that you want to purchase. Let's say that you are interested in buying sequences and series together with algebra. Click on the red button below. It will take you to its page. Here, you can see the total number of lecture hours it has. Do multiply it with $18 to get the actual amount to pay for this course. Scroll down the page to learn more about sequences and series. At the course overall table, we will see the constituent of this course. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and see other related courses. Know the maths courses that you want to buy or pay for. Then scroll up and click the Buy button to proceed to the next section. Fill out the details purchase form. Write your name, your email address, names of the courses that you selected, separate with comma if necessary. Scroll down. In the fourth box, input the number of courses that you choose to pay for. Here, select 2. Sequences and series together with algebra. Input the total hours of the 2 courses in the fifth box. In this case, it is 13 hours. When you are satisfied with your inputs, click the Send button. Please acknowledge the instruction for extract benefits and supports. You will receive a text that your purchase information was sent successfully. The administrator will wait for you to complete your order in the next section before issuing you the login details. This is the checkout or the payment section. At the left side, you will see the amount we charge per hour of the course. Below it is the quantity button. This indicates the total hours of the courses you want to pay for. Click on it and select 13 hours. When selected, the total amount to be paid for the 2 courses will be automatically calculated for you and displayed on the payment table. On the right side of the checkout section, fill in the form. Your email address first. In the second box, input your card number. In the third box, write down the expiring date of your card. In the fourth box, fill in the 3-digit number that is located at the back of your card, as shown on the screen. Write your name as it is in your payment card. Also, it is very important that you select from the drop-down menu the country that issued you the card if your payment is to be processed. This section is optional, but we recommend that you add your phone number so that next time you want to purchase another mathematics course, it will be easy for you. Make sure that the information that you provided here are accurate and that you have sufficient fund in your card to grant payment. Otherwise, it will not be processed. Click the Pay button to finalize your order. Please note that this is one-time payment when you buy any of our mathematics courses. This means that it is a lifetime investment which has many benefits. You will have full access to the course you bought, anywhere, how you want to use it, what you want to use it for. You are entitled to ask questions anytime and get immediate reply. Other benefits which include updates, more practice sections, exam tips, class test solver, a huge discount in our mathematics textbooks purchase, maths group learning section, and many more. If you have any questions to us, please visit our online help center at www.mazarenanews.com/contact. Your name, your email address, subject of discussion, and then your message. Click Enter to send your question to us. We will reply to you as soon as possible. You can use WhatsApp chat box. Click it to open and follow the instruction to connect with us. Send your direct message and we will reply to you.